Welcome back to the channel, guys. Here we are on a beautiful Sunday afternoon in the Stag. Oh, this is just a gorgeous car to have in the summertime. Top down, you can hear it burbling away. Blah, 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 blah. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, the weather, it's so nice to have the sun beating down on your head. Oh, where's the sun been all this time? And this is the car to have it in. What a beautiful day. You can hear all the birdies chirping in the trees. People are flashing the lights at you, loving the car. This is what it's all about. Classic car driving in the summertime. Just gonna let you know where you can see me with the Stag. Ripley Castle is gonna be the next classic car show. It's on the 22nd of May. So I'm really looking forward to it. And if the sunshine is shining like today, it's a bank holiday Monday. So you guys can catch me there. I'm going to be having a Flamonge round, and when I'm doing these videos around the classic car shows, I'm particularly picking the cars out that I would personally own myself. So if I don't show your car, don't get too upset. This is my particular taste in cars. But I will be going around most of the cars quite quickly, and then at the end of the video I will be going around the cars that I really like. But how the Stag is going at the moment, it is going absolutely beautifully. I managed to dig out some Magnatech HT leads that I had buried away in my garage. They were on my Rover P38 a long time ago, and I remember taking the HT leads off because they were far too good to leave on that crappy car. So I put the HT leads on, and this car just runs even better, if that's quite possible. The car is just running beautifully. So I'm having another Flamonge over to Helmsley. I'll do some filming there because it'll be full of bikers. That's where all the bikers go. It's a really, really nice road. So here we are in Helmsley, North Yorkshire. This is where all the bikers meet up. Fantastic place. If you're a petrol head biker.
Yeah. It's a sunny day. Yeah.
It's one of the main places to hang out if you're a biker. Great stuff. I'll sit over here and have the fish and chips. That's a nice bike. Very nice. Triumph. Lovely. Another Triumph. Everyone seems to have a Triumph. There's the Gulf colours, the racing bike. That's very, very nice. That's a cool bike. Then we have a Yamaha. That's pretty cool as well. So if you've never been here before, guys, this is Helmsley Market Square. It's where all the bikers hang out. Fantastic place to come to, especially with weather like this in North Yorkshire. see, I've come over in the Stag. These tyres are handling really well. So amongst it all here, the bikers are in the background. It's my beautiful Stag. Right guys, I'll catch you all at the Classic Car Show at Ripley. So until then, seats above it all.